Top 5 Best Arborist Chainsaw. Number 5. Husqvarna 18-inch 460 Rancher Gas Chainsaw. As we said before, Husqvarna is highly underrated. Their products impressed to a level where we were compelled to add 2 of their Arborist chainsaws to our list. And this 18-inch gas chainsaw has a feature that a lot of us will like. Now, power tools are not easy to use, and most of them need some kind of training to learn and properly use. But what if you could get a top-handle chainsaw that was made specifically for beginners? Well, this one is just that. It's more of a homeowner chainsaw than a semi-professional one. This Husqvarna chainsaw can be easily used right off the box, so you don't have to worry about not being able to handle it. On the plus side, it's also gas-powered, so you'll be able to use it with ease as you cut through wood. Moreover, the whole thing comes with built-in safety features. That takes away the one thing that people worry about when using a chainsaw, the probability of injuring themselves. But, regardless, you should be extra careful when you use it to handle your work. Along with all that, as this is an arborist chainsaw made for beginners, it's great for light work. But at the same, these features limit it from pulling off large tasks. So, the Husqvarna 460 Rancher chainsaw won't be that effective for heavy work. Pros: can be easily started right from the box. Gas-powered. 18-inch chainsaw. Works amazing for light jobs. Cons: not good for large tasks. Coming in number 4. Craftsman V20 Cordless 12 inches Chainsaw. Craftsman is another top-of-the-line brand that gives you power tools with amazing quality and functionality. Their V20 cordless chainsaw doesn't fail to maintain consistency when it comes to quality, just like their other appliances. We were caught in awe when we saw its potential. Here's what we had to say about it. Firstly, it is surprisingly affordable. This lightweight design top-handle chainsaw packs in quite the features, yet it comes at a price that most people in the woodworking businesses can afford. This proves that Craftsman had their customers and their ability to afford in mind while creating this. So, if you have a tight budget, this one is a no-brainer. Secondly, this arborist chainsaw also happens to have an auto-oiling system. Honestly, at this price point, having this feature is quite amazing. As mentioned before, the system automatically oils the guide bar when you work. So, no more lubrication breaks and you can work as long as you need. Thirdly, the chainsaw has tool-free chain tensioning system, which lets it be adjusted almost effortlessly. So, gone are the days hustling and bustling while trying to get your chainsaw ready. Additionally, the chainsaw has a compact design. This kind of design lets it reach places that you could never reach before. And along with all that, the bubble level lets you make some deadly accurate cuts. But the battery falls a little short, so you might have to charge the battery every hour when you're trying to get some job done for a long time. Pros: very affordable. Has an auto-oiling system that keeps the guide oil up all the time. Designed to reach hard-to-reach places. Can make accurate cuts, thanks to the bubble level. Cons: might have to recharge the battery every other hour during big jobs. Coming in number 3. Dewalt DCS 620P1 Chainsaw Kit. When it comes to arborist chainsaws or a power tool of any kind, Dewalt has a pretty good name in today's market. All of their products have good critical reviews and always maintain good quality. This 12-inch top-handle chainsaw is no different from its predecessors. It comes with its own benefits that make it an amazing buy for anyone. For starters, it's very lightweight. The material has been carefully crafted, making it easy to hold and use. Thanks to this feature, the chainsaw has proved to be easy to maneuver as well. You can easily move it around and get precise cuts in the wood when necessary. Moreover, there is an auto-oiling system in the chainsaw that caught us by surprise. This auto-oiling system solves a lot of our problems by simply oiling the guide bar whenever necessary, letting you focus on your work all the more. So, the more you focus, the better the cuts. Along with all that, this top-handle chainsaw boasts a 5 amp-hour battery that runs as good as a gas-powered chainsaw. The battery is pretty long-lasting, letting you work long hours with it and getting a lot of work done to increase efficiency. Another notable feature would be how quiet this chainsaw is. We were surprised to see that it's very quiet compared to its competition. So, the people at your place can actually relax as you work. And when it comes to cons for this one, we didn't find any. Pros: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Comparatively quiet. Small, yet powerful. Has a long-lasting battery for you to work long hours. Cons. This one exceeded our expectations, meaning we didn't find any cons. Coming in number 2. Makita XCU006PT 10 inches top handle chainsaw. Generally considered as the best top handle chainsaw around, the XCU006PT is another gem brought to us by Makita. It packs in some really awesome features that make the other ones look like nothing. Firstly, it comes as a full package, and we are not exaggerating when we say a full package. It includes long-lasting batteries and even a fast charger in the box. So, you really don't have to worry about buying these extra things. Moreover, the batteries are 18 volts LXT lithium-ion ones. Quite the perk, right? Secondly, it's very quiet to the point where we were baffled how a chainsaw this powerful can be this silent. It's only 89 decibels, whereas an average gas chainsaw produces 112 decibels of sound. That will definitely save you from the curses thrown at you by your neighbor and even your family. Thirdly, it's even lightweight, weighing only 12 pounds. At 1650 FPM, this is highly impressive. So, it's both powerful and easily maneuverable. That's quite the combination, and we think that this can help you get some quality woodwork done. Moreover, it's also trigger dependent. So, you don't have to worry about it running even when you let go of the trigger. That proves it's safe. One thing that you should keep in mind is that the oil cap might leak if you rest it vertically. Pros. Comes fully packed. This includes batteries and a fast charger as well. Surprisingly silent at only 89 decibels. Lightweight at 12 pounds along with the batteries installed. Trigger dependent, stops when you remove finger from the trigger. Cons. Possibility of oil cap leaking if the saw is kept resting vertically on the handle. Coming in number 1. Husqvarna T435 top handle saw. Let's start with a hidden gem. Husqvarna is an underrated brand that doesn't get the appreciation that they deserve. But we think that their T435 top handle saw has an amazing value. That's why we think that this is a good one to start the list with. The first thing that caught our eye about this Arborist chainsaw is that it is surprisingly lightweight. We are not even kidding. It only weighs 7.5 pounds. This makes it the most lightweight Arborist chainsaw that we have tried. Thanks to this feature, you can easily move this chainsaw around. So, it's a win-win situation. The next thing that's needed to be noted is the way this top handle chainsaw is powered by gas. And something that we all know is that gas-powered tools will always pack an extra punch when it comes to power, and especially power tools. So, no matter how big the tree is, the Husqvarna T435 can handle it. Moreover, we noticed that this is an anti-vibration chainsaw. So, it's going to be smooth sailing for most of us who use this. Gone are the times when your work would get ruined due to the vibrations of the power tools. Another feature that would catch your eye is that it has a rope attachment. You can use it when you hoist the chainsaw up a tree. This makes things a whole lot easier. So, apart from the comparatively higher price tag, this professional arborist chainsaw is an absolute gem. Pros. Lightweight as they come for better maneuvers, 7.5 pounds. Packs a punch when it comes to power. Anti-vibration system. Good value for your money. Cons. A little on the expensive side.